Yan.
Hi.
You talk.
Tung 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 saho. Buh buh patapit.
Friend, sabi yan.
Wala na, talo na kita. Wala na, talo na kita. Tingnan mo.
Wala siyang paki. Kayaan mo na lang. Oy, magbuha ka lang ng emoji ka. Huwag mo na ipakitest ka niya.
Patalo na kita.
4?
No? 140k yung 1,000 sa kanya.
Oh, mo. Oh, talo na. Talo.
Madali lang daw bullying yun. Wait lang daw. Sige, ulit kayo. Ulit kayo. Ulit kayo.
Mag-ulit daw kayo. Oo, alam ko yan. Ano?
O, isang round pa kayo.
Ayoko na isang laro lang. Ang dami.
Okay, okay lang yan.
Bruh.
Matingnan mo yung binalik ko ilaw.
Joya. I mean, Janela.
Shopee. Ay, sa TikTok.
Janela.
What?
No.
Wait lang.
What are you doing, Janela? Just
I'm weak.
go.
Sabi mo.
Sick and cannot do it today because she's sick and also she's not want to be in the video. And I do not know how to we will put it in the model. So bye. Bye. Tung 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 taho. And welcome to and comment.
Good job. So if you don't subscribe, Tanya, if you don't subscribe, I'll give you a job application.
Yeah, if you I will give you the application.
You should
If you guys not accept the application, then I'm gonna swap you guys. Okay, that's gonna be sad. Yeah, we do it. Boneka Amba will go to your bedroom and then take your money.
Brainrot pala yung kaya pinsan ko. Hindi yan brainrot talaga. Ano, ganyan lang, minsan ganyan lang yung acting niya.
Yeah,
32,000.
please watch and subscribe. Or else I will shoot you with a gun.
I will like escape or I will shoot you with a gun.
I'll shoot you with a gun. I'm gonna shoot you with a gun. Don't you be not watching subscribe. That would be very mad. We'll come to your house and I'm gonna shoot
I'm just laughing so hard. Guys, I'm just talking because I was recording and she doesn't know to record her screen. Plus, she doesn't even have a piano.
I just want to talk to you guys anymore that get out of this video.
Sabi niya, if you don't like, and double out, we'll put your dick. This savage. Savage siya. Ano ba yun? Yung ano? Hindi. May ad siya.
Doon.
Ads talaga to kasi nakaano ko, diba? You know?
Ay, wifi.
Oo.
Nag-a-ad siya. Daya, joke lang. Sampalin. Joy, ano tayo doing?
Hi, Sophie.
Hi. Hi.
Bakit nila
Hi.
pinapauto
Hi.
mo?
Hi. 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 Bye-bye.